Hello, future engineers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're still new to my channel and you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to share my videos to your friends and to your friends' friends, to your younger brothers and sisters who would want to take up engineering in the future, and to your relatives. That's one way you can keep me going, inspired, and refreshed. Now, if you find my videos interesting and important to your studies, also please don't forget to subscribe. So let's have uh, continuation to solution to equations in one unknown. Solve and check. So let's solve and check exercises 1 to 4, then 5 to 8, no need. So for problem 1, this is 2 times 4, so 8 plus 2x equals 8 plus 3x. Then 2x minus 3x, we transpose 3x to the left, then this left 8 here to the right, so 8 minus 8. So 2x minus 3x equals 8 minus 8, and 8 minus 8 equals 0. Negative x equals 0. So we multiply both sides by negative 1. Negative 1 times negative x is x, and 0 times negative 1 is still 0. Therefore, x is 0. So let's check. 2 times quantity 4 plus 0 equals 8 plus 3 times 0. So 2 times 4 is 8, and 3 times 0 is 0. So that's why 8 equals 8. Here, negative 4y plus 5y equals 5 minus 5. So we transpose negative 5y from the right side to the left, so it is plus 5y. And we transpose 5 here from the left to the right, so minus 5. So negative 4y plus 5y is y, and 5 minus 5 is 0. So y is 0. So to check, 5 minus 4 times 0 equals 5 minus 5 times 0. Of course, 4 times 0 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0, so 5 equals 5. That checks. 6 eighths minus 5 eighths equals 2 minus 3 fourths. So 6 eighths minus 5 eighths is h. The LCD here is 4. So h equals 2 times 4 minus 3 times 1 all over 4. So 2 times 4 minus 3 times 1, or minus 3 all over 4. So 8 minus 3 is 5 over 4. So h is 5 fourths. Checking, 6 times 5 fourths plus 3 fourths equals 5 times 5 fourths plus 2. So since the denominator is common, we just operate the numerator. 6 times 5, 30, plus 3, 33. So this is 33 over 4. LCD here is 4. So 5 times 5, 25, plus 2 times 4 all over 4. So 33 over 4 equals 25 plus 2 times 4 all over 4. So 33 over 4, 25 plus 8 is also 33. Then divided by 4, so 33 over 4 equals 33 over 4. This is 5x minus 4x equals negative 1 half minus 1 6. 5x minus 4x is x. LCD here is 6. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So negative 1 times 3 minus 1 all over 6. So x equals negative 1 times 3 minus 1 times 1 all over 6, or negative minus 1. Negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 over 6 is negative 2 thirds. So x is negative 2 thirds. Then let's check. 5 times negative 2 thirds plus 1 6 equals 4 times negative 2 thirds minus 1 half. So the LCD here is 6. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. So this is negative 10. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10 times 2 plus 1 all over 6. And the right side is 6 divided by 3, 2. So negative, let's simplify first. Negative 10 thirds plus 1 6 equals negative 8 thirds minus 1 half. LCD is 6, so this is 6 divided by 3 is 2. So negative 10 times 2 plus 1 all over 6. Then 6 divided by 3 is 2. Negative 8 times 2 minus 1 times 3 because 6 divided by 2 is 3 all over 6. So again, negative 10 times 2 plus 1 all over 6 equals negative 8 times 2 minus 1 times 3 all over 6. Negative 20 plus 1 is negative 19 over 6 left side. Negative 16 minus 3 is negative 19 over 6. So negative 19 over 6 equals negative 19 over 6. So that's why x is negative 2/3. It's correct. So here we don't need to check negative 5, but if you want to check, you check it. By the way, for those who want to answer these exercises by your own, so because I forgot to let you solve this by your own, and it is only in 5 to 8 where you can pause the video and solve these remaining exercises. So let me continue. Negative 5y plus 3y equals negative 2 over 15 minus 2/3. Then negative 5y plus 3y is negative 2y. LCD here is 15. So 15 divided by 15 is 1. So negative 2 times 1 minus 2 times 5 because 15 times 3 is 5 all over 15. So negative 2y equals negative 2 times 1 minus 2 times 5 all over 15. Negative 2y equals negative 2 minus 10, negative 12. Negative 12 over 15. And dividing everything by negative 2, negative 2y over negative 2 equals negative 12. Negative 12 is 2 squared times 3, and 15 is 3 times 5. Because we divide negative 2 here, we also divide the right side by negative 2. So the left side is y, and the right side is negative over negative is positive. So we can cancel 2, we can cancel 3. There's still 2 in the numerator and 5 in the denominator. Therefore, y is 2 over 5. Then here, 5x minus 3x equals 41 over 12 plus 5/4. So LCD in the right is 12. So 5x minus 3x is 2x. Then we have 41 times 1, or simply 41. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 41 times 1 plus 5 times 3 all over 12 in the right side. So 2x equals 41 times 1 plus 5 times 3 all over 12. 41 times 1 is 41 plus 5 times 3, 15. 41 plus 15 is 56 over 12 in the right side. So 2x equals 56 over 12. Divide both sides by 2, and 56 is 8 times 7, or 2 cubed times 7. 12 is 2 squared times 3. So 2x over 2 equals 2 cubed times 7 over 2 squared times 3 times 2. This 2 here is this 2 here, which is we divide by 2 in the left side, we also divide 2 in the right side. 2 cube is 2 squared times 2. So we can cancel 2 cube. This is 8. What remains in the right side is 7/3. So x is 7/3. This one, 5x plus 3x equals 0.33 plus 0.55. 8x equals 0.88. So 8x over 8 is equal to 0.88 over 8. Since 8x over 8 is x, 0.88 over 8 is 0.11. So x is 0.11. And finally, we have negative x plus 3x equals 0.95 minus 0.23. So negative x plus 3x is 2x, 0.95 minus 0.23 is 0.72. 2x equals 0.72. 2x over 2 is x, and 0.72 over 2 is 0.36. Therefore, x is 0.36. So that's it for this video. We'll have more equations in one unknown for the next slide, so that you will be confident in solving equations in one unknown, in one variable. And the method here is we have different situations. We deal with fractions, transposition, and division, so on.